We are at the Christian Quarter in a Muslim restaurant next to the Times Square of Jerusalem. But I'm taking that video because of one thing, for history's sake. They are renovating now one of the domes of the Church of the Holy Sepulchre, which is another name to the tomb of Jesus. And I think they are renovating the cross itself or whatever. But for me, it's important because this is history. Church of the Holy Sepulchre renovation of one of the domes, and if you are here, then look at the view. The Church of the Redeemer, Evangelist, German Church, the Dome of the Rock, and Mount of Olives. The Jewish Quarter is the new one, and the Muslim Quarter is around the Dome of the Rock, which is the biggest one. Renovation of the Church of the Holy Sepulchre.